Are you looking to supercharge your Dell PowerEdge server's performance? Look no further than the ATEC 64GB DDR4 memory upgrade kit. This kit, comprised of 2x32GB modules, is tailor-made for select Dell PowerEdge models, including the R440, T440, R540, R640, T640, M640, FC640, R740, R740XD, R940. and C6420 with a blazing fast speed of 2933 MHz and ECC DIMM registered technology. This memory upgrade ensures reliable and efficient performance, even under heavy workloads. Whether you're running multiple applications simultaneously or engaging in resource-intensive tasks like video editing or gaming, this upgrade kit allows your server to handle it all with ease. Compatible with 1st and 2nd Gen Intel Xeon scalable CPU processors, including Skylake and Cascade Lake series, this kit offers seamless integration and maximum compatibility for your server infrastructure. Backed by ATEC's lifetime warranty and United States-based tech support, you can upgrade your system with confidence, knowing that you're investing in high-quality, dependable performance. Experience the difference that a memory upgrade can make in unlocking your server's full potential. Upgrade to the ATEC 64GB DDR4 memory upgrade kit today and elevate your server's performance to new heights. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.